Everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use OR function. We use the OR function when we have multiple conditions and we want to evaluate it and be sure if any of the condition return true. The OR function return true if any of the conditions evaluate to true and return false if all the conditions evaluate to false. And when we use OR function, we can evaluate up to 255 conditions. When we use the OR function, we have to know the comparison operators like greater than or equal, less than or equal, not equal, equal. Let me show you how to use the OR function. In this example, we want to check if the quantity item is greater than or equal 5 items and the sales total is greater than or equal 45,000. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, I have to select the cell and we can type the formula by use the function wizard. So I press F6. Then from select a category drop down list, I select logical. Then I select OR and press OK. In logical one, I have to specify my condition. So I want to be sure if the quantity item is greater than or equal 5 items. So I select F5, greater than or equal 5. Then in logical 2, I am going to specify the second condition. So I want to be sure if the sales total is greater than or equal 45,000. So I select G5 is greater than or equal 45,000 and press OK. In this case, the OR return false because all the conditions return false. And I can type the formula directly in the cell. So in the formula bar, I type equal and type OR and type the opening parentheses and specify the first condition. So I select F6. I want to be sure if the quantity item is greater than or equal 5. So I have to type the separator. In this case, I am going to type comma to separate the first condition from the second condition. The second condition, I want to be sure if the sales total, so I select G6, if it is greater than or equal 45,000. And type closing parentheses and press enter. And copy down the formula by double click the corner like this. Okay? If you notice, okay, in this case, the OR function return false because all the condition evaluated to false. The second one return true because all the condition return true. In this case, return true because one condition return true, and so on. Let me show you how to use the OR function with F function. In this example, I want if the price is NA or the price the price cell is empty, I want to type 0. Otherwise, I want to multiply the price by the quantity. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, I have to select the cell and in the formula bar type equal, then F, and type the opening parentheses, and in the logical test I type I am going to use the OR function because I want to evaluate more than one condition. So I type OR, opening the parentheses, and specify the first condition. So I want to be sure if the price is empty, so I select E5 equal empty. I have to type double quotation twice. And I want to be sure if the price cell is NA, so I type comma and specify the second condition, E5, the price cell, if it is equal to NA, so I type equal. If you are going to type any text, you have to type a double quotation around any text. So I have to type double quotation. And close the and type closing parentheses. If the OR, okay, return true, okay, so I want to type 0. So I type comma and type 0. Otherwise, I want to multiply the price by the quantity item. So I type separator, comma, and multiply the price by the quantity items. And close the parentheses. And type and press enter. And copy down the formula like this. In this case, okay, the price cell is NA, so the formula returns 0. In this case, the price cell is empty, so the formula return or type 0. I hope this tutorial is useful for all of you. Thank you so much and see you in another tutorial.